This is day 44 of building a brand with $500 in a dream. My packaging has been printed and the boxes are being packed as we speak. This is everything that will be included in what the box looks like. My inventory should ship before the end of the week and hopefully touch down within 10 days of the shipping date. Ideally, they would clear customs before May 2nd so I don't have to deal with any additional tariffs. I did a few hours of Uber Eats today while it was raining. I'm still trying to make $1,000 before May 5th and forgot to add my earnings from yesterday, which I'll add today. I made $40 today, leaving my account balance at $1,799. Like and follow for day 45.